Mike right here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cool patterns with the Rubik's Cube. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is a checkerboard pattern, which is easy. You just have to hold your cube and then just turn the middle twice, turn the cube, turn the middle twice. And then you have a checkerboard here, and then just move the cube so that you have horizontal lines on the other side. So on south, and just turn the middle twice. And you have a checkerboard. As you can see, you have a checkerboard everywhere. So then to get it back, all I have to do is the same thing. Just turn the middle twice, turn the cube, turn the middle twice, turn the cube so that this is horizontal this time, and then turn it. And then everything will be back, and then the cube will be back. So, okay, so the next one is a flower pattern. So what you do is you just hold the cube anyway, and then turn the middle, turn the cube, turn the middle, turn the cube, turn the middle, turn the cube, turn the middle. And then you should have a flower pattern on all of the sides. It looks like this. Once you have your flower pattern, you want to get it back to the solved cube. You just have to find one of the centerpieces that has like the outside pieces here the same as centerpiece. So I have a yellow and then the yellow here. So then hold it so that the yellow is around here and the center is there. And then just bring the two sides up, making like kind of an H here of the same color, in this case orange. And then what you do is you just turn the up that way, down that way, and then you should have the layer beside it, a line here. With the yellow line here, you bring these two down. You should have another line here, and then just do it back. Okay. So then I'll be back. So basically, you just have to find the things to solve it. Just align the lines until it solves. So, or you could just do the pattern we did backwards. Okay, so the next pattern I'm going to be showing you is a cube in a cube in a cube. So you're going to need a long algorithm for this. So hold the cube however you want and do the following algorithm. That's going to be on the screen. On the screen here. So do up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, front inverted, right 2, back inverted, so back down like that, right, front, up, back 2, up, back inverted, left, so down, up inverted, front, up, right, and then front inverted. And now, as you can see, you have a cube and a cube and a cube on both sides. So, or basically a 1x1 instead of a 2x2 instead of a 3x3. So, yeah.
Solved state is doing the algorithm backwards, which I'll also put here. So, hold it the same way and do this algorithm on the screen. So, yeah.
Okay, so once your cube's back in the solved state, so that's good. So you've got all your patterns, you've got checkerboard, that's my personal favorite, the checkerboard pattern. And then you got the flower pattern, and of course the cube and cube and cube. There are other patterns that you could learn, but that's all I'm showing you for today. So thanks for watching.